Hey tea lovers! As you may know, we released over a dozen new teas this month and are so excited to continue featuring them. This week, we're taking a closer look at Organic Testosterone Blend. First up is Organic Sencha. Sencha is a type of smooth green tea that contains compounds called catechins, which have been shown to have various health benefits. Some studies have shown that green tea catechins help regulate testosterone levels and reduce DHT levels, a potent androgen associated with hair loss and prostate issues. Organic saw palmetto is a type of small palm that is commonly used in traditional medicinal practices for many ailments, including prostate health. This plant has similar effects to green tea, reducing DHT levels and supporting overall prostate health. Organic fenugreek is an herb commonly used in traditional medicine and has gained attention for its benefits on testosterone levels. Studies have shown that fenugreek supplementation can increase testosterone levels in men, and it is believed that fenugreek may enhance testosterone production by inhibiting enzymes that convert testosterone into estrogen. Additionally, fenugreek may improve libido and sexual function, which are associated with healthy testosterone levels. Organic ashwagandha is an herb widely used in Ayurvedic medicine with plentiful health benefits. Ashwagandha has been found to increase serum testosterone levels and improve semen quality in infertile men. It may also help reduce stress and cortisol levels, which can indirectly support healthy testosterone production. Organic epimedium, also known as horny goatweed, is an herb traditionally used in Chinese medicine and is often praised for its aphrodisiac properties. Certain compounds in epimedium enhance nitric oxide production, which supports healthy blood flow and sexual function. Organic ginger can have a positive effect on male reproductive health, such as improving sperm quality and testicular function. Ginger also contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which support overall hormonal balance and health. Let's make a fun mocktail or cocktail, depending on what you prefer, with Organic Testosterone Blend. Start by steeping 2 teaspoons of your tea leaves in 4 to 6 ounces of nearly boiling filtered water for 5 to 7 minutes. While this is steeping, you can add your ice cubes, ginger beer, vodka if you're using it, and lime juice to a cup. Give this a stir. Once your tea is steeped, you can remove the tea leaves, add the steeped tea to your cup, stir, garnish with lime, and enjoy. This is a delicious drink and very refreshing for a hot summer day. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Tea of the Week. I hope that you can recommend this tea to someone who could benefit from it, or check it out for yourself on our website in the link below. You can check out the rest of our teas, current sales, and everything else fun we've got going on our website, and everything you need will be in the description. Have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!